G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Club. Well, this week I'm going to show you how to boil an egg in the microwave in 3 minutes. So let's go. Get a microwave safe bowl, fill it with hot water, just from the tap. Now add a little bit of salt and about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'll get an egg, drop it in, put it in the microwave on high for about 3 minutes. Now it's just in there. I'm just going to place it on a bed of baby spinach. Whoa. Yummy. We've cooked the egg beautifully. Look at that. Who needs to hard boil an egg for 10 minutes on the stove? You can do it 3 minutes in the microwave. Now if you want to poach this, just put it in the microwave for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes and you'll have it poached. Well, I hope you like this. Look at that. It's very yummy. Oh, that's good. Oh, that is so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.